Whew, folks, a lot of shoveling here. I gotta do some more road repairs, so come up here to my gravel pit and get some more gravel. Come on, donkey, make more gravel.
Hey man, give it up for the insane chef right here.
Insane chef.
Now today,
He's the insane chef.
it's burger time. We need a granddaughter chef with us. So what's this called, Mr. Chef? Pumpkin Farm? Pretty cool. Be a good place to bring the kids, grandkids.
It's a Texas A&M graduate who designed it. And it's designed to be deer leases to hold your fucking, like that's why they have the rails so that you can hang up your fucking deer and you keep the deer under.
Love it.
But it fucking set this to the lowest temperature it goes, and then you can configure that. I haven't set.
Man, that's too fucking cool, man. I gotta get one of these. So we came out to this farm today, and the old boy that owns the place was showing me the fantastic cooler system they use here. You can actually use a regular air conditioner and you fool it with that little mechanism to make it go colder than what it's supposed to go, and you can run a cold room like that. It's pretty cool. It's made for deer hunting and all, which is pretty awesome. I may get one of those for the farm. You can, if you kill some hogs or whatever, you can throw them off in there and keep them cold without having to have a great big commercial cooler and all. It's pretty cool, pretty interesting. So I'm glad he showed me that. Anyway, Mrs. Chef's still in there buying stuff, I think. I'm ready to get out of here before we spend too much money. And they have some fantastic burgers in there. Good. Alright folks, since we're on the subject of new toys, I'm going to show y'all this thing. It's a pizza oven, which I just cut my finger on, but hey, it's pretty cool. Check this thing out. Isn't that freaking awesome? So, supposed to be used outdoors and all, of course, but doing a party for flatbreads next week, and I wanted a new oven to try, so I think this was going to be the ticket right here. It's pretty cool. That place there, Nate's, they got crawfish big enough you can put a saddle on them and ride them. Anyway, I'm coming through Addison. I don't come through this way too often. This used to be a real hub of like independent restaurants and all, really cool places to eat and all. Anyway, I'm supposed to meet this dude over here about some cooking, some catering. And this part of town, though, these roads are effed up. I haven't been over this part of town in a long ass time. Well, folks, the sun is setting. I'm finally done with my long ass day. Looking out there across the field, looks like one of the cows done died. Vultures look like they're about to pick his bones clean. Wonder what happened there. Well, thanks for joining me. What y'all think about that pizza oven? That's pretty damn cool, huh? I didn't have a lot of time to mess with it. Just a little quick once over, throw a couple pizzas in there, see how they cook. I gotta do an event with that thing in a few days, so maybe I'll mess around with it more the next day or two. Anyway, see you guys. That damn thing cut me when I was opening that box to that pizza oven. Had one of them long staples in there. Didn't see it. Got me pretty good. Anyway, see you guys next time.